All right, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I wanted to give you some help on tonight's homework. Here are problems 3 and 4 from the worksheet that you are completing today. It is solving systems of equation using the substitution method. So problem number 3, we're given two equations here. Both of them have an x and a y, and we have one job, and our job is to find the point, if you want to think of it that way, the x coordinate and the y coordinate that go into both equations. So we need an x value and a y value where this line and this line would cross at. So our plan is to take this equation that says y equals and put it right there. So let me rewrite that. 2x plus 8, and a y would be all of this thing here. Negative 3x plus 19 is equal to 20. And now we just have to solve that equation. So let's see here. We have 2x plus, let's distribute that, that'd be a negative 24. And now we'd have 8 times 19. That would be 152. And we would have 20 on this side. Well, these two, can go together. That's a negative 22x. And if I subtract away this 152 from both sides, that's 0, and that would be a negative 132. Now divide both sides by 22, and x is equal to a 6, because it's a negative, and a negative make it positive when you divide. So now we know one of the values. X is 6. Now our job is to find the other value. Well, we can take this 6, plug it in right there, and that would look like y is equal to negative 3 times 6 plus 19. Simple equation to solve. It's negative 18 plus 19. Y is equal to 1. And our answer is 6 for the x, 1 for the y. Meaning if we graph this line and we graph this line, they would cross. If I drew an axis here and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, these two lines would cross at that point. Also means if you plug in 6 and 1 in this equation, it's balanced, and if you plug 6 and 1 in this equation, it's balanced. All right, let's do one more. Number 4. Same thing. We're looking for the point of intersection. What is our x value here? What is our y value here? And we're going to take this equation and we're going to take it and we're going to plug it into right there. However, there's a way to make this problem easier I want to show you. If I write down this first equation, the first thing that comes to my mind is that they're all factors of 7. So why don't I just divide everything by 7 first, and that's going to give me a much easier equation to work with. These equations are equivalent here, this top one and this one, and I've just simplified it down, so now I have a much easier equation to work with. All right, so now let me take this y, which is 2x plus 12, and I'm going to put that in the same spot here, and that goes all the way right there. So let me rewrite that. That's going to be x plus 2x plus 12 equals 3, because now y has changed into 2x plus 3, and this is plus this and plus this. These parentheses don't really mean anything when we're adding everything, so let's put these together. That's 3x, and let me subtract away this from this side. Gone to negative 9 divided by 3x is equal to negative 3. All right, we are halfway done. We have one of our values here. X is negative 3. All right, now what happens when I take this and I plug it into this one, or I can take this and plug it into this one. Either one is fine. The bottom one's set up nice to tell me what y is. So I'm going to say y is equal to 2. X is negative 3 plus 12. Y is equal to negative 6 plus 12. Y is equal to 6. And the problem's done. Again, these are the solutions that work in this equation and in this equation. And if we took the time to graph it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, oops, let's go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's that point, negative 3 over positive 6. We would show two lines with a point of intersection of negative 3, 6. All right, and then for your worksheet, all you got to do is find those answers and color in the right spots.